Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a follow-up to the video I made last week about the market here in Florida when it comes to homeowners insurance. Now last week I talked about some financial stability ratings being lowered in January through March. What kind of goes along with that is a notice that we received from a couple carriers that they are, with their underwriting guidelines, they're limiting the policies, years built, and things like that for certain counties. Now, Highlands County is not one of them yet. Polk is a big one. Orange County, also another big one. And these are due to the loss history that they've experienced over the last few years. And this all goes back to the reinsurance program. So Florida, we're starting to see a harder market, which basically means that the companies are being a lot more strict on underwriting, and it's going to be the age of the home. If that water heater just looks a little funny, if the plumbing looks a little funny, I mean, they're being very strict due to the high losses that they've experienced over the last few years. Now, I know a lot of you are sitting back watching this saying, well, I haven't had a claim ever. I've had a home for 30 years and I've never once filed a claim. And that's great. Unfortunately, we have people on our books that will purchase a home and within a month, they'll have a $15,000 claim. Other people within the first year will have a $70,000 water loss. And all of these things, they affect you and they affect me as homeowners who pay for insurance. So that is a big reason why we're seeing this market change here in Florida. Now, this is also a result of, claims way over in California, over across the pond in England. New Zealand had a big tsunami a few years ago, and that affected us. So when your rates do go up, it's not because you had a claim or that area had claims. It's the global economy that's starting to affect us. Our market is hardening. If you paid $600 last year, your rates are more than likely going to be over $700 and possibly higher. The carriers are really tightening on their underwriting guidelines, so you may have to retrofit some of the things on your home. If you're purchasing a home, you may have to put some work and some sweat equity and money into that house to get it up to those underwriting guidelines. Thankfully, being an independent agent, we have options, so we have different carriers that we can place you with. So just to give you an idea of what we're looking at for the 2020 year, it's going to be a tough year for the homeowner market, and that could affect the real estate market and loan officers, being able to close these deals. But we're here for you. We want you to close more deals. We want you to get into your dream home and help you stay protected.